Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, June 6th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index. If you haven't already, definitely do check out my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, we have non-farm payroll coming out today, which is normally a really big news event. We obviously have this very clear triple bottom right here, and I do agree that it would make the most sense for the dollar to go up, make like an engulfing move to the upside, and then probably make some sort of a pullback, and then maybe next week sometime end up continuing back down. We had to be a little bit careful with assuming this though, because the trend is definitely down on all the higher time frames. I personally would rather just let it go up and break structure than try to get it on a pullback. That would be much safer because it could just push up a little bit to structure, reject structure, and just keep on going down. So definitely keep in mind that the trend is definitely still down for sure. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this whole move down right here. If we get like a one, two, three-way pattern up to any one of these fib levels, and then it makes like a big engulfing down, then I would definitely take it as another short. Now, on the other hand, like I was saying on the daily, if it goes up and breaks structure, I personally would wait for the break of structure. I'm not going to try to go long until we get the break of structure. Then after the break of structure, I would wait patiently for a three-way pullback, and then I would go long at the end of the three-way pullback to go, hopefully, for the continuation of a decent move to the upside if that's the case. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.